Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Halfway Tree and we're now on Halfway Tree Road heading towards the New Kingston area. It's a weekday about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so that will give you an idea of what the traffic is like. Okay, on the left is the Usain Bolt building. It's operated as a call center, or call centers operate in the building. On the right is the Victoria Mutual building. So I think it's the head office. No, it's not the head office. The head office is in New Kingston. It's the Halfway Tree branch. On the right is Cargill Avenue. On the left is Ruthven Road, and Ruthven Road is most famous for the JPS office. That's where you used to have to go one time to pay your, well, you can still pay your bill there, but if you have any queries or anything, that's where JPS office is. Now on the left is the entrance to the Medical Associates Hospital. We're going to turn and drive up there and see what's going on over here. Now you see a lot of offices here, and with the hospital on this road you have a lot of doctor offices, dental offices. This is like a small little medical area. You can look at the names: Dr. this, Tangerine, Dr. that. Mostly 90% of the offices here are doctor offices or labs or in the medical field. Okay, straight ahead, that's the Medical Associates Hospital. It's a private hospital in Jamaica. Okay, this looks very strange. One side of the gate is open, but the other side is closed. Not sure why they do it like that. If you're going to open the gate, you open both sides, but there's no security or nothing monitoring it, so just open both sides. Alright, so that's this is just one entrance to the hospital. There's another entrance, but this is the main entrance. It's very strange that you have the entrance to the hospital and there's no security there. Very strange. Well, you just saw it for yourself. Okay, so we're going back on to Halfway Tree Road now. Oh yes, and there are a few pharmacies in the complex we just left. Now as you can see, there is a concrete barricade in the road, but there is a entrance, or there's a break in the barricade. We didn't see it. I should have pointed it out when we were passing it. So if cars are coming from the opposite direction and they need to get to the hospital in an emergency, there is a break in the yellow concrete barricade that would allow the cars to access the hospital quickly. Okay, on the left is another call center in Jamaica, another call center complex. Let's drive through and take a look. Okay. This address now is 58 Halfway Tree, and it used to be the home of Stanley Motors and PBS, but it now has call centers. Hi, going to the insurance company.
Which one of them? General accident.
General accident, yeah.
Can I get the name, please?
A.
Signature.
AA. Just put AA. Alright. Alright, this is one of the buildings and it's used as a call center. A very large call center. On the left, this entire complex used to belong to the PBS group. There were Stanley Motors, PBS, the company, and it's a very large complex. They built all these buildings and rented them out to call center companies. It's like 3 huge buildings, and they're all operated as call centers. And the call center industry in Jamaica is doing really well. Even with COVID, it's still doing well. And they call it the BPO sector. Forgive me, I'm not sure what the P stands for. Business processing outsourcing or something like that. But it's here you can see a better view of the building. There are a lot of call centers operating in Jamaica, and the sector seems to be, or the industry seems to be doing very well. So this is one of the larger call center complexes. And for those who in America or other countries, they might call it telemarketing. But in Jamaica we call it call centers. Okay, so we're going back onto Halfway Tree Road now. On the right is the Flow office, or that building still has the name Cable and Wireless. I think that's the credit union. That's probably why it still has the name. But Cable and Wireless was, I don't know if they were bought out or they just changed their name to Flow. I think they just changed the name to Flow. Okay, we're now going on to Oxford Road. Okay, on the left is Emancipation Park. Alright, so we just turned on to Knutsford Boulevard and we're in the New Kingston area now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.